How are you? I'm good, thank you. What's your name? My name is Sophia. Where are you from? I'm from Italy. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Do you like pizza? Yes, I love pizza. Can you swim? No, I can't swim. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is red. How old are you? I'm 28 years old. What do you do? I'm a software engineer. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 brothers. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is sushi. What's the weather like today? It's sunny today. Are you married? No, I'm not married. What's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is photography. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Where do you live? I live in London. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception. What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is football. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog named Max. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Harry Potter. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. What's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is New Year. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the piano. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. Can you cook? Yes, I can cook pasta. Do you have any children? No, I don't have any children. What's your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is cheesecake. What's your favorite type of music? My favorite type of music is rock. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. Do you like to dance? Yes, I love dancing. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Breaking Bad. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is coffee. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive a car. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a horse. What's your favorite board game? My favorite board game is chess. Do you have any allergies? Yes, I'm allergic to dust. Do you like to exercise? Yes, I enjoy jogging. What's your favorite place to visit? My favorite place to visit is Rome. Do you have any tattoos? No, I don't have any tattoos. What's your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is a Japanese restaurant. What's your favorite candy? My favorite candy is gummy bears. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I can speak French. What's your favorite subject in school? My favorite subject is science. What's your favorite country? My favorite country is France. Do you have any special talents? Yes, I can play magic tricks. What's your favorite type of movie? My favorite type of movie is action. What's your favorite place to relax? My favorite place to relax is the beach. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.